Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to fix failed to download or apply critical settings in Roblox. Alright, let's begin. First, you want to right-click on the Windows icon from the bottom of the screen and select Task Manager from the menu. Then under Processes, you want to click on any process and press the R key on your keyboard. This will take you to any process name starting with the letter R. Just make sure to locate any Roblox process running in the background, and if you find any, right-click on it and then select End Task to close it. In my case, I don't have it running, so I can just exit out of this. Now the second step is opening up your computer search engine, searching for run, and then typing in %local app data %. After you have typed this in, press the Enter key and it will load up a new folder. From here, we want to select any folder and press the R key to find folders names starting with R. Once you have located your Roblox folder, access it and go to the versions folder. Inside it, we want to select all of these folders that are called version and then delete them. Now, the last step is reinstalling Roblox. So you can just open a web browser and search for Roblox download. After that, open the first website, download the setup, and then install it onto your device. So that's basically how you can fix failed to download or apply critical settings in Roblox. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.